could you please describe what are the challenges related to the usability and design of websites for mobile platforms?
Well, the big challenges are around understanding what people are trying to do. People have been very focused on the technology of just getting the website to show up on the phone. That's been such a big struggle for people for so long that they haven't paid attention to what people actually want to do with it. And the end result is that the way people work, the experience they have, is not matching what the intent of the designers are for these things, and therefore they're failing. And there's a law that people call Sturgeon's law, which says that 99% of everything is crap. That problem is driving a big issue. Part of it has to do with the fact that when we do move beyond the technology, we tend to focus on features, and we tend to focus on the discrete activities that people do, when in fact what we need to be looking at is the total experience. Because people pull out their phone in between discrete activities. They check on things, they look up things, they're in one store looking up the price at another store. They are doing things in between specific touch points.
When an organization wants to work on the improvement, on the optimization of the usability and design of their websites, what are the 3 questions they must ask themselves?
Well, the 3 questions we found that will help you focus to create great experiences are what we call the vision, the feedback, and the culture questions. The vision question is, can everyone on the team explain what the experience of using your designs will be like 5 years from now? Not what the actual designs will be, but what it will be like for someone who's using it. So if you make medical equipment for use in an emergency room, what is the doctor doing? What is the nurse doing? What is the technician doing as they're creating those things? So that's that particular notion of what are those people doing, how does it work, is key. To make that vision, you start with your current experience and you look for the difference between the current experience and the future experience, and that difference is is where the innovation will come from. But those elements are absolutely key. The other thing is that you need this. The second question is the feedback question, and the feedback question has to do with has everyone on your team spent at least 2 hours in the last 6 weeks watching someone use your design, sitting down next to them, watching them use the design. Doesn't matter how many people they watch, but how many hours it turns out to be is critical. So 2 hours for every person on the team every 6 weeks is the minimum requirement. If you don't do that, then you're not getting feedback of what your current experience is like. So the vision question tells you about what the future experience is like. The feedback question tells you what the current experience is like. And it's the difference between those that you're going to try and change. So then the third question is the culture question. And the culture question has to do with, in the last 6 weeks, have you celebrated a major design failure? Now, you don't have to encourage people to fail, because they do that all by themselves. They're perfectly capable of hiring people who are very good at failing. The issue is that when they fail, are you learning from that experience? Are you getting value from that?